minutes till departure.
Miss you, so we are at Lincoln High Street again in Lincoln. Lincoln High Street, I'm crossing in Lincoln with those trains Delta Australia. Only studio train spotted. I'm following the night down the first two go. Andrew, stop it! Down the other two go.
You didn't do that.
I did!
Lucas.
Sorry!
Okay, so it's now 30:25. This is Saturday the 19th of February 2022. Let's go back on the last page because I don't have a clue why it hasn't changed yet. 13:28, 1 Lima 64, Northern service to Leeds. And
You're wet. Oh, wait. Ain't we all? We just did the Brayford at Lincoln High Street. I can see 170 down there.
Yes, I do.
Brayford's...
I'm going to see if it's the one with no pisser in it.
Brayford's down.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
It's not. It's not the no pisser one, it's another one. It should have one active.
Yeah,
175. Here it is, we've got 1 minute into the closure and it's already here. Whoops. 1 minute and then you stick a twig up your bum. Right, we've got 175 double one. 175 11. 75 11. 175 11. From where? To nowhere. Where is it from, Lee? From Leicester to Grimsby Town and? I'm doing this squats.
We've got the Northern to Leeds.
Oh no. Double stay. Double stay with frozen fingers and toes and all button. Yay!
Brand new as well.
Okay. Oh god, that nearly hit the umbrella out my hands.
That's why I put mine away in my pocket.
Well, I can't. This is too big for me.
Yeah.
Quickest turnaround in the world for that tour. It's now got 11 minutes to turn around here.
Why?
As? Thought the tour was just coming through non-stop.
Here it is, we've got
195 again.
195 005 coming back out to Leeds again. 009. 195
It
009.
says 09, he put 19 in it.
Right, we've got 195 009.
195 009.
95.
195 009. Thank you. We got a time for 195.
Alright, calm yourself. Easy, calm
195 009 to Leeds. And
Leeds now.
we're going to go up because there's no trains expected for now.
Because actually there may be.
Up they go. Up they go. Right, my hands need CPR.
Alright, we'll see you for the next race.